Might be it, y'all. This might be the day where my hair falls out. I just... Look, I told y'all this might be the day. BrAD! BrAD! Do you hear me, BrAD?
Hold on on that. Hold on. Now hold on.
I haven't done this in so long. This is ridiculous. So before we get in the video, in good old Nadja fashion, some of my clips got deleted of me telling you how I prep my hair. So I prep my hair by lathering it with coconut oil overnight to protect it. And the dye that I used is Dark and Lovely. Yes, we are using box dye. I had to go back to my roots because I don't know any other way to do it. So here we go. I'm scared, but let's just go. We're just gonna do it. It's just hair. Oh my God, it smells amazing though. They've really outdone themselves. It smells like raspberries. Okay, there goes the smell. There it goes. As they say, trust the process, child. This is the first time I've actually done something like this on camera because I usually just pop out, if that makes sense. Because my process usually is unconventional and makes hairstylists cringe. One down, can't turn back now. We cannot turn back now, it's done. The cake has been baked. Unless we want to do a skunk stripe, but I'm good on that. If I were to do a skunk stripe, I would rather it be like two of the same color on different spectrums. Like if you dyed your whole head red and then you got like a pink stripe, or like you dyed your whole head navy blue and then you get a teal stripe. When I was dyeing my hair, the thing to do was like the ombre. Oh my God, I had so many ombres. Yeah, that was like the thing. So it's really cool seeing like the new, this is like the Gen Z ombre is the skunk stripe. I think it looks pretty cool, but I'm not gonna lie, like whenever people do the skunk stripe with just blonde and their natural hair color, it gives me black and yellow Wiz Khalifa and I hate it. Like, I'm not about to lie to y'all. That should be giving me secondhand embarrassment because it reminds me of mistakes we've all made. I've actually bleached my little brother's hair to do the Wiz Khalifa patch. That shit had a grip on us, boy. Oh my God, I just want to go straight for the roots so bad, but I know I gotta be responsible. You want to talk about mothers. Let me shut up. Yeah, I'm about to just put on my little cap. Still has olive oil in it from when I did this the night before. So that was dumb. I'm about to let this sit for, is that 30 minutes? 30 minutes. We shall see, and I'm gonna be keeping a lookout on these roots.
A few moments later.
It's been 30 minutes and it's not doing anything. And I'm not washing this out yet because it did not lift like at all, and it's been 30 minutes. This is why I be wanting to put real bleach on my head, but I mean, it looks brown, I guess, girl. Girl, it ain't talking about nothing for real. This shit is not really lifting at all. Like, my hair just looks brown.
What's not clicking? What's not clicking?
I don't know, girlies. This shit is not really doing it. Should I just keep it sitting for longer? I think I'm gonna just keep it sitting for longer. Yeah, this is what's going on. It's been 30 minutes. Don't know why it's not lighting up. I'm gonna leave it for another 20.
20 minutes later.
Might be it, y'all. This might be the day where my hair falls out because this shit is not lifting like at all. So you know we're about to go back in. You know we're about to have to go back in. I did have a feeling that this would happen. In the past, when I would dye my hair, it wouldn't be enough. So I did go ahead and get another box of this, y'all. I just, look, I told y'all this might be the day. I'm not gonna leave it on for the full 30 minutes, but I am about to just lather this shit on. Maybe it's just because it wasn't lathered. I don't know. It's looking like it's about to rise already. Yeah, I think it's just because it wasn't lathered on because, girl, this shit look like it's about to take off now. I just didn't want it to be a film. I feel like I'm about to just have brown hair, which is not what I wanted. I wanted blonde. Even if it was that ugly ass Wiz Khalifa blonde. I want blonde, damn it. By me doing this and lathering it, we'll see a change. Or maybe my hair will just fall out, one or the other. I feel so chaotic right now. Remember at the beginning of this, we were like, oh guys, we have to be careful of our roots. We gotta be careful because we don't want them to get too light. And they didn't even light up, girl. But it's starting to now, so I'm probably not gonna leave this on that long. Shout out to all the hairstylists if you're still watching. Shout out to my homegirl, Key. Shout out to my homegirl, Jasmine, who I definitely could have called to do this for me, but I don't know. And then at least, like, if I do fuck it up, I could go to them and pay them to fix it for me. All right, let's see if this works now, because I pretty much have this shit all over. Girl, the back of my head is probably freaking dark ass brown. This shit is already like complementing my skin tone very well. Not that my natural hair didn't complement my skin tone, but I've always been scared to go super light because I feel like with my skin tone, I feel like sometimes certain blondes make me look washed out and ashy. So I usually steer clear of it, but I don't know. I'm feeling a little bit, you know, lucky, I guess. So I'm gonna leave this like this for like 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and we shall see what is going on, girl. I'm scared, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and I'm just gonna lift this and see what's going on under here. Okay, bitch. All right, we lifting the fuck off. I'm about to keep it on here a little bit longer though. We lifting off, ho. We lifting off! As long as we're making progress, because this has been a lot. Like, I just took a whole science test. I just took my final for bio while this thing is on, like, but as long as it's getting lighter, that's all that matters. So I'm gonna leave it on for another 15 minutes and come back.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
All right, y'all, we have liftoff. Now I'm about to wash my hair out and put in some of this purple shampoo, but I'm gonna show y'all the review. Hold on. Y'all see this? My ends are like, so it's just like brown. It's not blonde, it's brown. But I like that it has a gradient of light brown to dark brown. Again, not as light as I wanted, but definitely cute. So this is the shampoo I'm gonna be using. Hold on. L'Oreal Purple shampoo to neutralize some of this brassiness going on, like right in here and stuff. And yeah, let's go wash it off. I'm gonna be using my phone though. She is giving Tina Turner. This is what it looks like wet. I'm hoping that it gets brighter once it's dry, but it looks like we didn't lose that much length, so that's good.
The rest of my freaks out. I just get looking down. When he asks me what I'm thinking about, feel like I couldn't breathe. You guys was wrong with me. My best friend let me say, oh, she's just being Miley.
This is with our head.
Cute face ass bird.
Girl! Oh shit, I just got this shit everywhere, bro. Oh my god, I just got purple shampoo everywhere. Like, not even being over dramatic, it is everywhere. I really did this. Like, is this real life? I really just got purple everywhere. Oh my god, my boyfriend is gonna kill me. Oh my, it's everywhere. He's gonna fucking kill me, bro. Y'all, I'm gonna be, oh my god. So now I'm going to be leaving this in for like 20 minutes. Call it a damn day. Yeah, we definitely didn't get brown, but we did, I mean blonde, but we did lift up to brown. So maybe later on I could do a second lift and get it to blonde if I don't like how it turns out. But I kind of wanted to go for brown as like one of the colors to choose for you guys to choose from. So if it does turn out brown, I won't be completely upset. I just bought some gold jewelry and I got a gold nose ring, so I think it would look really cute. I could put on some freckles. Yeah, I'm being very optimistic, but I'm gonna be keeping this on for 20 minutes 20 minutes, okay, so we can get it set. And then I'm gonna be using this this conditioner that came with the hair dye. I love this conditioner so much. It's actually like one of my favorites. It helps keep your hair secure and all that jazz. So yeah, after 20 minutes, I'm gonna be going in with this and doing a little bit of styling, I guess. I'm not gonna be doing too much styling because I don't want to put too much pressure on my hair. After just washing it, I could feel like it feels different. I'm not about to sit here and lie to y'all. Y'all saw I lost a little pieces of hair. Like, it feels different. My hair texture does feel different. So it definitely is a little fragile right now, and I'm not trying to do too much. I do have hairstyles in mind that I'm going to do in the future, but like as for right now, I just can't really do that.
You get the idea.
Oh my god, I look like a ginger. I'm ginger. I didn't want to be ginger. Well, I guess this is brown. I guess this is brown.
Who said that? Who said that?
It's brown, but it's definitely lighter at the roots than the rest of my head. And then, like, why is these two little hairs right here not blonde or brown or anything? Yeah, it looks like we're having a brown moment, but this side is definitely brighter than the rest of my head. Like, definitely just gonna keep using the purple shampoo. With time, the brassiness, especially in my roots, like look at my roots, so fucking brassy. So the brassiness hopefully will tone down, but it looks good with my eye color. You know, anything to convince myself. I know it may not look like much of a difference on camera in this bathroom, but I'm gonna show you guys outside. Like I said, I don't want to put a lot of stress on my hair, so I'm just about to wear it down and natural today. I really wanted to do some Bantu knots though. I'm not about to lie to you, I really did, but my lord, I can't believe I just did this. Look at all this hair. I wish it was a little bit lighter, and I wish I didn't give myself a freaking man-made widow's peak. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I didn't really get these two strands right here, and it kind of looks like I have a damn widow's peak. No shade to any of my homegirls with the widow's peak. My boyfriend got a widow's peak that I be having to finesse when I do his hair. No hate to the widow's peak girls. I'm not about to do my makeup or anything like that in this video because I do want to do like a baddie transformation. I just wanted to show you guys me dyeing my hair because I know a lot of you guys, well not a lot, but some of you guys have been keeping up with my hair journey with the few videos I've made after having like my diva curl damage and everything. So I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with. And shrinkage is obviously a thing, so my hair is not gonna stay this length all damn day, but I do want to show y'all what it looks like, so let's go. So this is what we're looking like. Smells weird out here. And this is me all done up, styled. What do you guys think? I like it. It's grown on me. I thought I was gonna look a little too bright, but I actually like it. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for kicking it with me. I know this was kind of boring for some people, but for those of y'all that fuck with my hair, thanks for kicking it with me. How do you feel about box dyes? Do you feel like box dyes are still the devil because everybody on YouTube is telling you that, or do you feel like it's the brand? Because I feel like it depends on the brand, because Dark and Lovely has never done me wrong. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.